Text effects in Silhouette Studio tips and tricks. Curving text. Step 1. Click text in the left toolbar. Step 2. Type out a text. Step 3. Go to Shapes and select a circle. Step 4. Click and draw the circle in the workspace. Step 5. Double-click the text, put the cursor right over the directional arrow icon, hold down the mouse and drag it over the circle. Step 6. The text will follow the path of the circle. Step 7. You can move it left or right and below or above using the directional arrow icon. Step 8. Once you're happy with the placement, right-click and select Convert to Path. Step 9. Now when you delete the circle, the text will remain the same. Offset text. Step 1. Click text in the left toolbar and type out a text to use. Step 2. Resize the text and click Offset in the right toolbar. Step 3. Click Offset, set the distance, click Apply and click Group. Step 4. Create a duplicate of the text by clicking Ctrl and the downward arrow. Step 5. Zoom in, select the original text, click the Fill panel and select a color. Step 6. Select the offset layer and select a color. Step 7. Select the duplicated text and its offset layer, right-click and select Make Compound Path. Step 8. Click the Color Fill drop-down and select a color, then it'll fill the outline with the selected color. Warp. Step 1. Click text in the left toolbar and type out a text. Step 2. Resize the text, click the Text Style panel and select a font to use. Step 3. Scroll to the bottom right toolbar, click the expansion icon and select the Warp feature. Step 4. Click Warp selected shapes for freehand warp. Step 5. Select the Warp Templates tab and you can select any warp templates to use. Step 6. You can also freehand and modify the warp from the nodes. Step 7. Go to text again and type out a text. Step 8. Resize the text, go to Flexi Shapes and select a shape to use. Step 9. Place the shape over the text, right-click and select Convert to Path. Step 10. Reposition and resize the shape and the text. Step 11. Go to the right toolbar and select the Warp panel. Step 12. Click Warp selected shapes and zoom in. Step 13. You can start warping the text to take the form of the shape using the nodes. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.